What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. As always, I need to request every single person to like, comment, share, subscribe. I actually need a new intro, and I need to stop asking everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's getting boring now. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of all the videos. Tell me what you think of all the content. Just spam the views, all that good stuff. And let's get straight into this one. So we got a Nike Retro Tracksuit in a kind of off-white cream. I love this color, man. Just straight off the bat, I have to say I love this color. So we got the joggers there, kind of off-white creamish with felt Nike and then a felt swoosh. And the fit of these is slim fit mid-rise, and they are open hem polyester type joggers, which I'll be honest, best thing for the summer, like loose joggers. And then we've got a top, same thing here. It's got the Nike in felt, and it's got the swoosh, standard zip and all that good stuff. And then on the back it's got a massive Nike with a swoosh, again in felt. I'll be honest, I don't like the Nike, massive Nike on this color. I know it's got it on the black. It doesn't look that bad on the black one. It's not got it on the navy one, which I also have. But I definitely don't like it on this one. I'll be honest. I don't know what it is. It's just a bit odd. It stands out a bit too much. It's a bit too in your face. But I do love the retro. I should knock the tripod over. I do love the retro vibes that it has. One thing that annoys me, I'll be honest, is zip pockets. There's no zip pockets, and there's no zip pockets, so it's just plain old pockets, just standard pockets. Usually when I have a tracksuit, I like zip pockets. You know, there should be a necessity. Who leaves anywhere? Who goes outside and doesn't have things in their pockets? Name one person who goes outside with not a thing in their pockets. There's always stuff in your pockets, man. But yeah, pocket round over. Nike do better, man, because Adidas, all they have is pockets on everything. Pockets on the top, pockets on the bottom. Puma used to do pockets on the top and bottom. Now they only do them on the top for some reason, which is annoying as well, so can't buy Puma either. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. I really do love the color though. What a nice color. But this bit, I would prefer it to be a bit more, you know, black. It's more like a grey, off grey type of color. If that was black, that would be 10/10. And yeah, let me know what you think about this, people. Therefore, don't like the back that much. But yeah, let me know what you think. Have you got one? Do you hate it? Do you rate it? Would you buy one? Let me know. They're on sale everywhere, to be honest. Like, I got this for mad cheap. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till the next one.